Bangkok. Well, we've had a little deviation. I was wrong. Visa, and all that stuff for Vietnam. Could not fix, could not make work. So we're now in Bangkok, rerouting. Good news, we've got to link up with Sean, and we're in Bangkok, so that's pretty cool. We have what appears to be a rooftop pool, which is not actually on the rooftop. Despite appearances, it is only on the 8th floor, but we'll take it.
Straight up, 12 o'clock, Bangkok SkyTrain.
I knew, feels like it too.
Steamy and sweaty. We've been lazy watching Full Metal Jacket to keep with the Vietnam theme, even though now we're in Bangkok.
We're in R&R.
Yes, we are in R&R. Here comes our train. We're gonna go find a bus to hop on and hop off. Let's see how that works. Alright. Here's the Skywalker going on. There goes the elephant. Go, go. Man, it's pretty good. You got to see some highlights.
Had a little nap on there for a while.
Did you?
Yeah.
Put you to sleep?
Not the most comfortable seat.
Yeah, no, not at all. About 2 hours of that and you've had enough.
Zero padding.
Yeah, it's time to go to the top of this funky ass building now.
3 actions.
Welcome to Bangkok, MahaNakhon Tower, 78th floor on top of the glass looking straight down to the street below. Woo! Fantastic.
Let's feel that. Sit down.
Oh, God damn. West has no beer.
Some incredible views from 78 floors up on this tower with the bridge, the glass bridge. Just on that, looking around. Horse race track and a golf course right in the middle of the city. It's above 11, but it's really on the 32nd floor. Is that what we're talking about here?
Well, they call it above 11 because it's on Soi 11.
Oh, good to know. Great view. Nice place. We're still in Asia. The Golden Buddha. They cracked this Buddha open accidentally. It fell and broke, and they determined that it was solid gold. And they thought it was gold plated. This thing weighs 5 tons, something like that, inside. So we'll go take a look. Once again, we thought this was going to be the museum about the Golden Buddha, but it's really about Chinatown, and it's pretty fascinating. This is a model of Chinatown in 1930. This was the tallest building in Thailand in 1930. The Chao Hotel. I mean, this place, it's really good. We are at the top of the Golden Buddha Temple, which was built only in 2010. But here's the building with the last floor on the 75th floor. Once again, the Buddha was from the 1800s. It was, I think, maybe even older than that. The Buddha was dropped in 1955, and they revealed that it's made of gold. They thought it was like gold plated. Yeah.
15th century is when they think of it.
Oh, 15th century?
Yeah.
Kind of see him in there right now. worth $250 million US. Just the value of the gold. Yeah. Back to the Chinatown gate. All right, let's go. Yeah, yeah. All right, keep going. Go. Chinatown. Let's go.
Oh shit! Where's my hat?
Lost your headgear?
Hat.
All right, pull over.
Pull over. I lost my hat.
Headgear down.
Headgear down.
Where is it?
Back there.
Tell him. Hey, we lost his. He lost his
My
headgear.
hat. Back there.
He lost his head. Pull over.
Back there.
Rescue mission
Rescue.
in progress. We gotta get James's fucking hat.
My hat. That's it right there. My hat.
flat.
Get my hat.
I'm not gonna get your fucking
Okay,
hat.
you get-
You're gonna get it?
Kind of run over.
It's fucking flat.
No, I like that one.
He got some tread on it now.
Some tread. It's got a good hat. Super hat.
God damn. Okay, that was good.
Interesting, these things go in reverse.
Yeah.
Here we are at the giant swing. It was built in, when it was built,
1784.
1784, built in 1784. Not sure exactly what it's for other than as a swing. They took the swing off at some point, I understand, because tourists were swinging on it too much. That's the story I was told. Anyhow, to get here, we just had the world's worst tuk-tuk ride. I mean, erratic driving. This guy wanted to take us everywhere other than we wanted to go. We just wanted to go to China Gate, giant swing. He wanted to take us to Thai Center, stop here, stop there. 2-hour tour, no. Wouldn't listen to anything we had to say. And I lost my hat, ended up in the road, and got driven over. So
Nice tire tread.
I was very glad to get out of that vehicle. I'm glad we're not in the hospital. So that's it.
Motorcaded tuk-tuks? What's going on here? Tuk-tuk parade? Wow. Kind of crazy. Okay, Jack's Bar on the boat pier. Looks cool. Oh. There he is. There he is. Oh. Soi Cowboy. Enter the madness.
Alright. Here we are in Bangkok last night on Cowboy Street. This is going to be a very chill part of the trip. We'll be going hard, bud. We go hard. Last night, we're going to go easy. We're going to go to bed early. Get up. Catch your flights. Yeah, it's not really happening. Here we are. Place to do it. It's a place to chill out right here. Let's go. We're going to have a good time. Let's end this trip the right way. And then we'll go relax at home. I mean, woo!